You look upset. What happened?
I was traveling with 3 friends. We have a nice trip and the views are beautiful. We took lots of photos, but our batteries run dead very soon.
You have a car charger, right? It's not good.
Well, it's kind of okay, but we have 4 phones and the cable can only reach so far. My friends at the back seat cannot charge their phones.
How about this one?
Are you kidding me? Is it just another charger?
Nope. It's not another charger. It's a 4-port charger.
Wow, look at the clip. I see. Is it something to clamp on the back seat?
That's right.
Ah, nice. Let's have a try.